We are the most improbable accident in the universe, and at the same time the cheapest cliché in history. Yes, you, crying because 3 Tinder dates didn't text you back, convinced your suffering is unique.
Welcome to the paradox of being special. Welcome to 2 since 77 broadcast. Today we're diving into the absurdity of our existence, how we can be statistically unrepeatable in the cosmos, but perfectly interchangeable on Earth. Let's start with the epic angle. Life as we know it is nearly impossible. The famous Drake equation tries to estimate how many intelligent civilizations could exist in the galaxy, and even with optimistic numbers, the probability is embarrassingly low. Liquid water, a stable atmosphere, tectonic plates, the right orbit, a star that doesn't explode on a weekly basis. Each variable is a cosmic lottery ticket. And here we are, monkeys with Wi-Fi. From that perspective, you almost want to say God exists, if only to explain why the universe bothers with this absurd experiment. Now let's drop from galaxies to the supermarket aisle. Out of 8 billion people, about 90% of human behavior is just repetition with minor variations. Don't take my word for it. Social psychology and marketing science predict your choices better than your mother. Studies on the uniqueness bias show most people believe they're more original than average, which statistically is impossible. We are cosmically unique but locally boring. Think about our species. Biologically, we're inefficient as hell. We need food 3 times a day, 8 hours of sleep, constant medical care, and we invent religions to explain whatever confuses us. Proof. We've been obsessed with space travel for centuries, yet we still can't solve Monday traffic. Interstellar travel would require impossible amounts of energy, shielding against deadly radiation, journeys across light years, and bodies that behave like they were designed by a drunk engineer. We're basically modern dinosaurs carrying credit cards. And here's the punchline. The same brain that can calculate planetary orbits also believes that 3 failed dates in 1 year is statistically significant evidence you'll die alone, as if 3 data points out of 8 billion humans could predict your future. Spoiler, that's called the availability heuristic. Your mind exaggerates recent events and turns them into universal truth. That's the paradox. We are a cosmic miracle, and simultaneously identical snowflakes in a blizzard of stereotypes, consumerism, and recycled drama. Cosmic uniqueness, earthly banality. So next time you want to feel special, remember the entire universe conspired to make you exist, and you're using that gift to stalk your ex on Instagram. And remember, you're not the chosen one. You're just an algorithm with legs. Subscribe, share, and give this podcast a like. At least here, you'll finally be a number that counts.